Alright, what is up guys and gals? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and today we are working on the Thunderbird project again. This is the SN95 donor car with the motor and transmission. On the last episode, Anthony helped me pull the transmission out of this car, and now we're getting ready to break down the whole harness and pull the motor out. So I've never pulled one of these things before, but the best advice he gave me is nothing can be connected, so you gotta unplug everything and unbolt everything. On the top side, it's basically just a bunch of wires. It looks like a spaghetti monster, but it's not. It's not as bad as I thought it'd be. This is a 1995, I believe, or 94 SN95 Mustang with the 5.0 high output. It definitely has some electronics going on, but yeah. So right now you see me. I unbolted the bracket for the AC compressor. That way we could flop the AC compressor and the lines over to the side without breaking the lines loose, thus not releasing the refrigerant. So we just left the AC compressor in the car because I'm not going to be putting AC on the Thunderbird. I will have heat though, but yeah, we're not going to be cool enough to be having AC. I did need that bracket, so I broke the bracket free right there and just started continued unbolting things, and yeah, I did end up taking the radiator out. What else? I think the mounts were I took the big single stud on each side. There's literally one stud on each side of the motor mounts that holds the mount into the actual K member, so it was super easy to unbolt those. We already had the transmission out, and Anthony's undoing the throttle linkage right now. And yeah, it was actually really easy to pull this motor. I'd definitely do it again. Hopefully I won't need to do it again anytime soon. But yeah, so I'm going to let this video play, put a little bit of music behind it, and let you guys enjoy it. In the future, I already have some more content recorded. I'll try to do like little breaks and talk to you guys and show you intricate stuff, but I figured for this, it's pretty much cut and dry. Pulling an engine is basically unbolting and unplugging everything, and yeah, strapping a chain to it and yeeting it out of there. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please comment if you have any questions, recommendations, anything like that. Let me know. Adios.